Naalala niyo pa ba ang isang batang bulilit noon na sumali sa The Voice Kids Philippines? Siya si Jomar Lazaraga. 9 na taong gulang siya noong sumali at nagmula pa sa probinsya ng Cebu. Maaring isa po kayo sa mga napamangha at napahanga sa batang ito dahil sa kanyang anghel na boses. At pagkatapos ng kanyang stint sa The Voice Kids ay sumubok naman si Jomar sa tawag ng tanghalan.
Na mahal kita at wala nang iba.
At pagkatapos ng halos 6 na taon, ito na si Jomar Lazaraga ngayon.
Ang your light and shining armor, and I love you. You have made me what I am, and I am yours. My God, there's so many ways to say I love you. Hold you in my arms forevermore. You have gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love, and you belong want to believe in my soul. Waiting for so many years, I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life to make me whole. Forever, let me wait to see each and every word. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see what is. And yes, yes, I